Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using day-old sourdough because slightly stale crumb grinds cleaner and stores longer. First, cut the loaf into 1 2-centimeter cubes so they dry evenly. Overcrowded pieces trap moisture. Once your oven is set to 120 degrees 140 degrees C, arrange cubes single layer on a tray and dry for 20-40 minutes, flipping once to avoid browning. Make sure to check at 20 minutes. Pieces should feel dry and firm, not toasted. That prevents a burnt flavor and ensures an even grind. You want cool, dry cubes before processing because residual heat creates steam and clumps. Once cooled, pulse in a food processor or blender with short bursts, 5 to 10 quick pulses, to control particle size. Longer runs make dust. Make sure to pulse, shake, then inspect. Stop when you see the desired coarse or fine texture. After pulsing, sift or shake through a mesh to separate sizes. Reprocess the larger pieces you catch in the sieve until consistent. This gives predictable texture for coating, stuffing, or binding. You finish by optionally giving the crumbs a brief toast at 150 degrees C for 5 to 10 minutes to remove any remaining moisture and enhance crunch. Once done, cool completely so condensation doesn't reintroduce dampness. Then transfer to an airtight jar or freezer bag and label with the date. Crumbs keep weeks at room temp, months frozen. If you find crumbs soggy later, respread and re-dry in the oven or quickly toast in a pan. This troubleshooting step restores texture without waste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.